Hello and welcome back to the Helmet Head channel. Now, do you have one of those battery powered car boosters, motorcycle boosters you can pop onto your bike, your car, your van, and it will boost it in case your battery's ever flat? Do you also have one of those battery powered air pumps that you carry around as well, so you can pump up your tyres anytime you get a flat, or you turn up and you go, do you know what, it's losing a few PSI, I need to pump it up? Do you also carry around a flashlight in case you need it at night, in case you have to shine it when you're camping and you're out and about, or for instance trying to change a wheel? Or do you also carry a power bank when again you ever go away camping, on a trip, a road trip, or around with you to keep your phone charged? But what if there was such a thing that could just do it all? Because this is the YaberAuto AP02 car jump starter, and it's got all of those features. This is a 9-in-1 tool, and we are going to put it to the 11 out of 10 test, because that's what they've sent it to me to show you exactly what it's made of. So we'll unbox it and we will test it in the real world. So let's jump into it. So let's start with the great unboxing. The packaging feels premium quality. On opening up the box, you'll find this lovely protective case. If you open that, you'll find your YaberAuto AP02. This feels premium quality in the hand. All the buttons and features are nice and easy to find. On the front, it has a 4-mode dual colour LED light. On the back of the device, you'll find your ports, your USB-C and your USB for charging. And on the side, you'll find your jump start port. On the front, you have your menu buttons and a nice big LCD screen. Going back to your handy carry case, on the right hand side, you will find a pair of gloves. These are 400-watt insulated gloves just for added safety. Underneath the gloves, you'll find your crocodile jump starter leads, also your air hose lead, and as you can see, it's got a nice push and clip into place lead, making it super fast. For all your other accessories, you have every single connector that you could possibly need. It comes with its charging lead, USB to USB-C. And the last thing you'll find in the case is your 3-year warranty card, plus this nice and easy quick start guide with clear instructions how to operate the device. And that's everything you'll find inside the box. So now it's time to move on to the real world test. Well, let's start this real world test as it could actually happen. You've gone out to your vehicle and you found that your tyre is completely flat. So let's grab the YaberAuto jump starter. So pop over to your tyre, get your connector, pop your connector in first, and now just simply connect your pipe. Now the YaberAuto will pump up to 150 PSI. It has an incredible 19 cylinders inside this. We pop on the connector onto the tyre hose, just push it on and pull down and it will lock into place. Switch on your YaberAuto jump starter, and as you can see, it's powered up just there. Now this is where things get really cool, because it's got 5 different settings: car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, or auto. But we're going to pop it onto motorcycle. We're going to put it to the correct PSI, and once that's correct, we're going to hold down the button and it will automatically start pumping. And once it's hit the PSI, it will automatically turn off. Then all you've got to do is pop off your connector pipe and it's done. And as easy as that, you've got your tyre pressure back to where it should be, so you can get on the road. But let's just say things have just got a little bit worse. You've gone, brilliant, I'm ready to go. You walk over to your bike, you go, I'm going to hit the start button, and there is nothing. Absolutely nothing. Well, again, that's where the YaberAuto jump starter comes in handy yet again. So all you've got to do is locate your battery. Now this will literally, it will fire up a 9-litre petrol engine, an 8-litre diesel engine, and it also has a smart clip feature, meaning that it will fire up a completely dead battery, just one go. So now it's a simple job of getting your crocodile clips, popping them onto your battery, red to positive, obviously black to negative, plug it in just underneath the tab, pop it in. You'll see the light there's flashing away, switch it on and just switch on your ignition, fire up your bike, and you're good to go. How cool is that? You're on the road. Now here's the other thing. Imagine being out and you have a blowout and you're on the side of the road with your car and you're trying to change it and it's pitch black. Well, that again is where the YaberAuto comes back into play, because it's got a really bright LED light, literally this bright. Look at that, how bright is that? But it won't just brighten up everything you're trying to see. If you're in any sort of trouble, you can also make it into a white strobe, or even a red strobe. But going even further, to get that perfect SOS call, it does the entire lot, giving you that SOS call that means that somebody is going to come and help you. Just say you've had that bad accident and fallen into a ditch or something's got wrong. It will give that beep, beep, beep kind of light that means that people will know exactly where you are. But just look how powerful this light is. See what I mean? It will brighten up absolutely everything, making your life, if you were camping or out and about or having to do something, just brilliant. Because if you forget your torch, this has got you covered again. And then there's another party trick that the YaberAuto jump starter has. Because imagine if you were on the side of the road and you were stuck there because you had a complete blowout, you couldn't pump up the tyre, and you need to get hold of that breakdown service. Or you're camping and you go, darn it, my phone's dead and I want to be able to give the wife a call. Well, could you imagine if you could just plug it in and charge your phone? Because again, it's got you covered, because it's not just a jump starter, it's not just an air pump, it's not just a bright LED light with SOS, it's also a power bank as well. And again, being super easy and simple, you can plug it in and it will charge up your phone, meaning that you can make that call when you need to get the help that you need. I know, right? The YaberAuto AP02 is just brilliant. It gets rid of all of those things that you have to take in your back box, and it all puts it into one handy tool. And it is the perfect thing to put in the back box if you're going out on a motorcycle adventure or the boot of your car, knowing that you're completely covered. And I hear you, where can you pick one of these up? Well, all that information is down in the description, all the links, and if there's a latest discount code, it'll be down there too, so you won't miss out. Pop down, click on it and pick yours up today. And I just want to say a massive thank you for watching this video, and if you've got the time, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to the Helmet Head channel. It's completely free and it means you get to see all the latest tech here in the motorcycle and automotive space. And not just that, if you've bought this and you're finding it as awesome as I am, don't forget to leave a nice little cheeky comment down to let everybody know how brilliant that the Yaber AP02 is. And I will see you next time here on Helmet Head. Bye bye for now.